Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will share 4 examples of how UI designers can use Claude AI to streamline design process. In the first example, I will turn a high-fidelity mockup into interactive prototype. I will attach a screenshot of a food delivery app I've generated using ChatGPT 5. It's not a pixel perfect, but it's okay. And ask Claude to generate HTML and Tailwind prototype of this UI screenshot. The moment I submit the prompt, Claude starts working on this task and write code in real time. The result will be available in less than a minute. As you can see, Claude sometimes fails to show the right preview in the right-hand panel. For example, in my case, it shows something like this. But don't worry, you can download the source code and open it in a separate tab of the browser. The prototype that Claude generates in the first try will have a minimal interactivity by default, unless you explicitly mention interactive elements in your prompt. But you can always provide a follow-up prompt asking Claude to introduce some interactive effects, such as supporting horizontal scrolling for featured restaurants. Now you know how to create quick coded prototype for demo purposes. Let's jump to Figma so I can show you how Claude can help you with design system tasks. If you manage a design system of a mid-size or large organization, you likely know that the better you create a transition between your design and code, the more chances you will achieve the visual and functional consistency for your design. I find it really valuable to use Claude to convert Figma component specs into React components. Here is what I do to achieve this. First, I need to create a spec of a component. I can do it manually or use plugin called specs. This plugin generates a specs for my component. After the plugin performs the task, you will see something like this, where all states and visual properties of a component are clearly articulated. Personally, I suggest always crafting specification yourself and use plugins like specs only as a supporting tool in this process. Second, I will export the specs as an image file from Figma. You can use the Figma exporter in the right-hand panel for this purpose. Now, send specs to Claude and ask the tool to generate the React component. Claude will generate an interactive preview of the tabs component in React. And the great thing is you can write a follow-up prompt asking Claude to write a storybook MDX docs for this component. In my case, I will ask to write docs for tabs, and Claude does exactly that. Another task that Claude can help me with is turning my style guide into JSON, CSS variables, or Tailwind config. This time, I will take a screenshot of a table with colors that design system uses. Attach a screenshot to Claude and prompt, turn color style guide into CSS variables. And here is the output that Claude generated for me. It extracted the actual hex values of colors, matched the color naming, and specify interactive behavior. Lastly, let me show you how to create animated effects with Claude. Because I love using Framer for creating animated effects, I want to show how Claude can help me with animating a call to action button. I'm using a button from my design system. Attach a screenshot and prompt the tool. Generate a Framer motion snippet for a button that scales up slightly on hover and fades when disabled. Takes less than a minute for Claude to generate the code for this button. And here is how the interactivity works. And that's all. If you have more interesting cases of using Claude for UI design purposes, please share them in the comments. Thank you for watching.